With almost 60 years of precision machining under our belt, the good folks here at Pico have published our Insights Guides to help you choose qualified shops for your project. Today, we're talking about our Insight Guide, 8 crucial questions to ask before choosing a precision machine shop. This guide is for anyone who has a CNC machining project on their plate and looking to qualify a shop for their work. In this guide, we'll touch on 8 topics and some ways to deal with them during your due diligence process. The first question to ask is what types of machines are in the shop and what are the capabilities? You're going to assess whether the machinery here is capable of making your parts. If not, no sense in going any further. But if machinery is capable, then it will be smart to keep asking about the size, speed, torques, and other capabilities. Next, let's ask about the workflow and processing strategies. Volumes, cycle times, and batch sizes of your parts may or may not align with the normal processing within the target machine shop. How does the shop's workflow optimize your part processing to save time and money? How does it work? The third question is about continuous improvement. The superior shop will be paying close attention to continuous improvement. Ask for examples of improvement initiatives and the results that came from those. Are these global implementations or part by part? The answer may have an effect on the future of your production. For the final 5 questions to ask when choosing a CNC machine shop and more detail on the sections we already covered, download the guide now by clicking on the link.